Alright, this is Eric with Bowman Plumbing Services. We're located at 1441 Allenford. And basically what we're looking at is the side of the house here. You can see that's the side of the house, that's the monitor. And there's a clean out access here on the side. We have completed the repairs, the trenchless sleeve, as well as the repair out front. So I'm going to run the camera through the whole line from this point. So basically this is an after inspection. The piping we're going through right now is the piping under the house. This is the cast iron piping. And this will allow us to see the trenchless epoxy fiberglass sleeve and where it was installed. Alright, so here in front of us, this is the epoxy fiberglass sleeve. And this is the portion of piping that has been rehabilitated. We actually overlapped the cast iron a few feet. You can see that to this point, that's where the clay starts. So we overlapped it by about 2 feet. And as we continue on here, you're going to be able to see that this is the section where all the roots were intruding and the breaks were in the pipe, and this fiberglass sleeve has taken the place of the existing sewer line, which was made of a clay material. And there we have the repaired section, which is the new ABS pipe. That's the beginning of the sleeve. This is the new physically repaired section. And there we have it, the 73-foot mark, the 6-inch clay pipe. This is about as far as I can get with this location, so I just want to do an after recording. We also did hydrojet the sewer line from this point out to the street. So that little ball of roots that were there out underneath the street have been removed. These fixes have been passed by an inspector, and this is going to end the after recording session.